At H2O Ai, we see a world where all software will incorporate AI, and we are focused on bringing AI to enterprises via business transformation. We are an open source AI company focused on helping enterprises operationalize data science and machine learning. We have a community of over 8,000 companies who are already using H2O on the open source side, and over 75,000 data scientists who also are using H2O. H2O is by far the premier enterprise AI software on the open source side, and we have a lot of customers in the Fortune 500 from the healthcare, financial services, and insurance sectors, including Capital One, Kaiser Permanente, PayPal, Comcast, and many others. So.
Perfect. Second question is, what big problem does your product solve?
So we are, as I mentioned, we focused on bringing AI for enterprises for business transformation. What that means is we built an end-to-end platform that can take data from all the most common big data frameworks, help data scientists work with a variety of open source and most commonly used frameworks like R, Python, Spark, and etc. to build models really quickly, and then deploy these models to production with a whole slew of options again on the deployment side. So we're really focused on operationalizing AI, which means that we go from end to end and do it in a really with fast cycles, so that companies can build data products that can help transform their businesses.
Awesome. And then, how big is your team?
So we are about 70 employees currently, most of them in California, and then a small but growing team in New York, and again a small but growing team in Europe as well.
Cool. So you guys are headquartered in California?
Yes, in Mountain View,
Awesome.
California, right in Silicon Valley.
Perfect. And then my final question is, what gives H2O a competitive edge?
So I would like to point out 4 reasons why H2O is really competitive. The first one is that we are fully open source, and that means that's huge because enterprises don't want to be tied into one vendor or a technology because there's so much new stuff happening all the time. So being open source gives us a leg up. As I mentioned earlier, we have again over 8,000 corporate organizations already using H2O and over 75,000 data scientists already using. Secondly, H2O offers some of the most fastest and most accurate algorithms, machine learning algorithms in the industry. What that means is that companies and data scientists can start using it, and these are very powerful algorithms which are also very easy to use. So they can use these algorithms to build models and deploy those models very easily. The third reason is, as I mentioned, operationalizing machine learning and AI is one of the big focus areas. That means every model you build with H2O is instantly available as a POJO, which is a plain old Java object, or a Mojo, or a REST API. So you can deploy your models almost instantly. This means also that you can update your models more frequently, and that's one of the core things with AI and machine learning, that you want to be able to update your models really easily. And finally, I would say that we are, even though we are an open source company, we're an enterprise software company with a strong customer focus. So we're very heavily customer centric, which means everything we do it with in close collaboration with our customers, and that lets us improve our products and give our customers a lot of value.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.